And 18 CRPF personnel have been killed in an IED blast in J&K's Pulwama. Well, Jaish-e-Mohammed has claimed responsibility for the attack. Around 40 others have been injured in the attack. Now, 15 of the injured are said to be in a critical condition. It is believed that an improvised explosive device, IED, caused the explosion at Gauripura area. Gunshots were reported from the scene after the blast occurred. The injured have been moved to the Army Base Hospital in Srinagar. Meanwhile, CRPF officials say there were 70 vehicles in the convoy which was on its way from Jammu to Srinagar. One of the vehicles came under attack. This is the worst terror strike since the September 2016 Uri attack, when 4 heavily armed terrorists targeted an army headquarters, killing 19 people, soldiers. In fact, the Indian Army had responded with a cross-border surgical strike, destroying several Pakistani installations.
At least 18 CRPF Jawans have been killed in an IED attack. Now, this is Jaish is claiming that this was a suicide attack. With this few kilometers away from this particular place, this is a Jammu-Srinagar national highway. It has been closed for the vehicular movement right now. But a deadly attack in Kashmir once again. And this possibly has been one of the biggest attacks since a long time, after a decade, I would say. Because in 2004, we saw the last time that a car had rammed into security force installation and killed several of them. And now the highway has been closed. There are multiple injuries which has been caused due to this particular attack. Forces are assessing the situation. The entire highway has been actually closed down. No vehicular movement is allowed on this highway right now, and the security forces are assessing the situation. Jaish-e-Mohammed outfit has claimed the responsibility of the attack, and there are several CRPF Jawans who have actually been injured in this particular attack. With camera person Ferozi Shanwani for WION World is One.